Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today we're going to be doing part 3 of our 3-part video series for Born Pretty. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So today I'm going to be using that 6-piece pink collection by Born Pretty. I'm going to leave the product link and discount code in the description box below if you'd like to get your hands on this collection. But for today's design, I am going to be doing a Barbie set. There's no other better way to represent these colors that Born Pretty has given me, as well as paying homage to the new Barbie movie that I have yet to see. So I hope that you guys are going to enjoy this design. This background color is BPHP01. I'm going to be putting on a generous coating of some blooming gel, and then I'm going to start using the 6-piece pink collection from Born Pretty. So first I'm going to get myself some BPHP04. I'd put a little line right there on my little palette. And then I'm going to be taking color BPHP05. And again, drawing a little line there. We're now using BPHP03. And then last but not least, I'm going to be taking BPHP02. Those are the solid colors that I'm going to be working with. And we do have that one glitter, and I'm going to put this right here in the middle. Give it, just to break up the colors a little bit, add some bling. And this one is going to be BPHP06. So I'm just going to grab my ball tool and I'm just going to swirl it up and down these lines, dragging them into each other, creating some sort of marbly texture with it. And first pass, I didn't think that it was mixed enough, so I'm going to go back in and I'm going to do tighter zigzags and try to mix up these colors for you guys. And this is, for me, the easiest way that I can create a marble. And again, we have that layer of blooming gel, so all these colors are just going to fan out on that blooming gel and it's going to look super pretty. So after picking up a strip of it on my marbling brush, I'm going to lie it flat on the nail and just zigzag it down the nail, letting that polish just get dragged out from the bristles. And as you can see, it's already fanning out, shaking it up, marbling it up. And again, this is how I do marbling, and to me it's fairly easy. There are plenty of ways to do this, you guys, so you can do it your own way. But I love that the color is just, it's kind of following each other with every move I'm making. And I'm just gonna keep doing this. Maybe I'll do this 1 or 2 more times down the nail on an angle, just to give it a nice, good color. And after I do this, I am going to go back in with that glitter polish, the BPHP06. I'm going to grab my detail brush and I'm going to drag some lines in there, just to chop it up with some glitter. I love the glitter in there, especially when I'm marbling. It gives it this extra kind of personality to it. I am now going to be repeating this with the rest of the nails. For the middle finger, I want to kind of frame a heart shape. I'm going to be doing a Barbie icon in the middle. So I'm just going to kind of play this out a little bit, just be kind of loosey-goosey, and then I'm just going to clean it up with my brush after to make it look more like a heart. And then we're going to move on to the other nails. So for the index finger, same thing. I'm going to put a layer of blooming gel, and I'm just going to do a line like this and have it match up with that heart from the middle finger that we just did. Add some glitters, and then I'm going to just repeat, just reverse side for the ring finger. And then for the pinky, I'm going to do a full nail of marble. Now on to the nitty-gritty. So I'm using a white gel polish, and I'm just gonna try to write Barbie on this thumbnail here. It's crazy. You think you have a lot of space, and just one mess up ruins the whole word. So I'm just trying to make sure that my lettering is spaced well enough to fit the whole word Barbie. And I'm just going to continue with this, and we'll move on to the next nail. Now for the middle finger, like I said, I'm going to be using, let's see, what color is that? I think this is BPHP03, or actually I think it's 05. And I'm going to be drawing up the Barbie icon, and it was fairly easy to do. And it's fitting nicely into this heart. And I'm gonna move on to the next nails. So for the index and ring finger, I'm going to be just drawing some objects that are known to Barbie. So for this index finger here, I am using color BPHP04, and I'm going to be using this as well for the ring finger. But here I'm going to be drawing up a heel. I love Barbie shoes. I personally never owned a Barbie. I've played with them. And when I saw the Barbie shoes, I mean, I thought those were like the coolest things because they fit her feet, and these are little plastic dolls. So I'm going to draw that up here. And then for the ring finger, again, I'm going to be using that BPHP04, and I'm going to be doing a purse because she's always complete with her accessories. So we have a heel and we have a purse. We are near the end, you guys. I am putting on a layer of top coat for the pinky nail and for the ring finger. I wanted to put some bling. We're going to put a little bling in the middle of her purse. I'm going to top coat the middle finger and then top coat the index. And finally, top coat the thumbnail. I thought that a rhinestone would stick right where that dotted eye is, but the eye is a little raised. So I'm going to take some rhinestone glue and just stick it on there. And this is the end result, you guys. This is my Barbie inspired set using the 6-piece pink collection given to me by Born Pretty. I will leave a link in the description box below along with my discount code. I am affiliated with them, and using this discount code really helps me out, and I greatly appreciate your support. And here's a closer view of this. If you have not catched the other 2 videos for this PR package from Born Pretty, go check them out. I really like how all of this turned out, and they're just all so different from each other. So thank you so much for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And join me again Thursday. I have Worldly Josieisms. Thanks. Bye.